How to apply castor oil to grow thick, luscious, enviable hair. Castor oil is one of the most beneficial natural oils you can use, with strong medicinal, cosmetic, and cleansing properties. It is obtained from the castor plant, known as Ricinus communis, by extracting it from the seeds. It is commonly used in the production of health and beauty products, massage oils, and numerous medicines. Its oil use relieves constipation and kills the parasites in the gut. For hundreds of years, it has been used as a national way to regrow the hair, support its health, nurture it, and make it shiny and thick. Therefore, it is an affordable way to boost the health of the hair and make it luscious and shiny. Here are some of its benefits. Thickens and regrows hair. Castor oil is loaded with omega-9 fats, which nourish the hair follicles, enters the pores and boosts hair growth and volume. Dandruff. Apply a mixture of olive oil, castor oil, and lemon juice on the scalp and leave it to act for an hour, then, rinse it off. It will soothe the scalp and prevent dandruff. Split ends. Rub some castor oil on the hair ends and leave it for a couple of hours to heal the split ends. Long lashes. At bedtime, apply some castor oil on the eyelids using a Q-tip. This oil stimulates the growth of the hair, has powerful antibacterial and antifungal properties, prevents hair loss, and boosts the circulation on the scalp. Its regular use will neutralize the harmful effects of chemical hair products. And due to the antioxidants it contains, it will support the keratin in the hair and make it strong and smooth. Make sure you always use cold-pressed castor oil, which does not contain hexane. The sticky texture of this oil can be a bit difficult for application, so here is how to use it. For an easier application, in a small bowl mix it with some other oil in equal amounts, such as argan, jojoba, or coconut oil. Then, place the bowl in a larger one, full of hot water. To warm it up, spray a bit of water on the hair to dampen it. Dip the fingertips in the warm oil and massage the scalp. Rub the oil between the palms and run in through the hair. Then, cover the hair with a shower cap. Wrap it in a hot towel to boost the absorption of nutrients to the pores, and leave it to act for an hour. The effects are amazing. If you like the video, give it a thumbs up, and share it with your friends. If you want more natural cures and weight loss tips, subscribe to the channel.